Welcome back to Study Tech with SM. Today is day 8 of our MS Watch series, and this week we are going to study page and layout. So let's master page setup, which includes margin, orientation, and size. So margins are the blinds or blank spaces around your text. In Word, you can set top, bottom, right, and left margin. For that, you need to go to layout, then margins, and choose your desired choice, which can be normal, narrow, wide, and many other. The very next we have the orientation. Orientation decides the direction of your page, whether it is portrait, which means vertical, perfect for essays, and another option we have is landscape, which is horizontal, that is great for tables and charts. So you can easily sweep under layout and then orientation. The next we have the size. Page size define the dimension of your document. Common options are A4 letter, legal, and many others, which is also available under layout and size. And pick your choice. And that's the page setup made simple. Margin, orientation, and size. 3 clicks for perfect layouts. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more study hacks. Thank you.